telling me he had a sore throat.
I had a sore throat and I didn't want to go to school.
Oh.
Mom made me go. And then he drove over the top, and I remember laying underneath the bus, looking up at the bus, thinking, thank God I've got superhero tendencies and my organs are strong. But damn my powdered milk bones, they fragile. I'm pretty sure something's broke.
How the hell did Dad get there so quick?
Why couldn't we have real milk?
When
We
I
had
ran
real
out
milk,
to
I
see
tried
what
to get it.
happened, Ruby was running up the steps. I'm going to call that baby's daddy. I'm going to call it. And she called your dad.
I mean,
And
it's
so,
very lucky you couldn't get the doors open to that bus because Dad sure tried.
yeah.
No, he
Well,
was-
I got the bus driver out of there and into the neighbor's
Yeah,
house.
see how she took care of the bus driver?
And
I didn't get real milk, and I got sent to school
He
sick.
almost
I
punched
probably
the neighbor
fever.
thinking it was a bus driver.
Probably.
He actually did have a very red throat when when we got to the hospital, among other things.
See? I was
Who, the
sick.
bus driver or mine?
No, me! I was sick! Nobody gave me any medicine. I'd have to go eat wild roots and stuff. Try to medicate myself. It was like I was being raised by wolves. And I laid underneath that bus with the hot oil ticking on me.
Oh,
And I was trying to duck it. I remember looking up underneath the bus and I heard the guy go, oh shit. And I thought, no kidding. Of all the kids you gotta hit, you hit the kid that drinks powdered milk. Got soft bones. He drugged me over to the side, had my coat in his mouth, and he just drugged me. My little broken leg just flapping along, broken off and just hanging at odd angles, flopping around. My pelvis all broken, and all my organs jellifying in there, and a broken floppy arm.
And when Mom and Dad came home, the first question I asked
Is he dead?
Is he dead?
No, because I got strong organs. I was blessed with strong
Where were
organs.
you?
I was at my friend's house up the street.
Yeah.
Not
I had
in
to quit
school?
playing to come home, and I just sit in the house because
It was a
he
real
got
party.
Why were you not going to school?
he was. I got out before he did.
Can I walk in the back for you?
It was a real party at our house. He's up getting real milk from Mr. Helms or whatever their name was, that grandma
Stuart
said.
Helmers.
Huh?
Stuart
Helmers or Helmers?